And for 404, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Nancy De La Cruz Valencia. I'm married. I'm 43 years old. I have 5 kids, 28, 25, 21, 20,
Okay.
and 14 years old.
Okay. So, Ma'am Nancy, I see already you have experience in abroad. The first one is in Saudi. So, what is your main duty and responsibility in Saudi?
My duties and responsibility in Saudi Arabia, general cleaning, children caring, and babysitting.
Okay. So, as you mentioned, you took care child. What is their age?
4 and 12 years old.
What about the baby? Newborn?
Newborn.
Okay. So, what about in Doha, Qatar? What is your main duty and responsibility in Doha, Qatar?
In Doha, Qatar, my experience is cooking and general cleaning.
Okay. So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to provide the need of kids in the future and also to experience the culture of Hong Kong in the high salary.
Okay. So, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As my employer need me as hired to domestic helper.
Okay. So, what did you do if the newborn's crying?
I check the diaper, I check the temperature, I check if she or he is hungry.
Okay. So, are you afraid of dogs or cat?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to accept the holiday set up by the employer?
Yes, ma'am.
What about work on Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to co-work with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
What about share room with kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to learn Chinese if the family member cannot speak English?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery rhyme? Any nursery rhyme?
Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Okay. So, the last is, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as your domestic helper.
Okay. What else? What else?
I treat you and your kids as my family.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.